In this video, I will be covering all the polygon questions, which is questions 1 through 5. Okay, so the first one, you are asked to find what is the sum of the measurement of the interior angles of this shape. Well, we know that we can just look at the amount of sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n is equal to 7. Okay, we can essentially break this up by triangles, right? So we can multiply the triangle area, which is the triangle is 180 degrees, and we're going to multiply that by n minus 2. The reason why is because, take a look, from this vertex we can draw 1 triangle, 2 triangle, 3 triangle, 4 triangle, and 5 triangle. Okay, that's why how we got 5. Okay, because we are going to subtract the 7 here, and it becomes 180 minus or times 5. So 180 times 5, that gets you 90. So the total of the interior angles is 900 degrees. All right. Next. Here, you do the same idea, but you're trying to solve for this value here. This is your unknown. Okay, so let's look at the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6 this time. So it is 180 times n minus 2. And we have n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So 180 times 6 minus 2. So 180 times 4 triangles. Okay, so 180 times 4 is equal to 720. This is the total. Okay, but we know that we have 88 plus 142 plus 105 plus our question mark, which is just angle A, plus 136 plus 136 is equal to 720. Okay, so angle A plus, let's combine all those like terms. 88 plus 142 plus 105 plus 136 plus 136 plus 88. Hold on, 88 plus 42, 105, 136, 36. Okay, so it's 607. So those angles equals to 607. Minus 607 to both sides. This cancels. Angle A is equal to, we have 720 minus 607. That is 113. Okay, this angle is 113 degrees. Let's look at 3. Find the measurement of one of the interior angles. Well, let's find the total first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So n is equal to 8. Let's find the total. The total interior is going to be 180 times n minus 2. So this is going to be equal to 180, 8 minus 2. Because there are going to be 6 triangles in here. 180 times 6. That's going to get you a total of 1080. But there are 8 pieces, right? So let's divide this by 8. Zero. 080 divided by 8. So this becomes 135. This means each angle here is 135. Okay, because you're basically splitting it into 8 pieces. You're splitting that total of 1080 into 8 even pieces. That's why it's 135 each. Given that all of the interior angles is 108, how many sides does this polygon have? Well, what this means is that, do you see in the last problem, we can say that each of these interior angles is 135. Here, each of these interior angles is 108. We need to figure out the amount of sides. Well, let's try to figure out in order what they are. So if n is equal to, let's say, just 3, we know that the total is 180, right? And then if we divide that each, so each angle, interior angle would be 60. N equals to 4, right? If n equals to 4, that would be, let's say, 180 times 2, which is 360, but then we have to divide that by 4. That gets you 45. Let's do n equals to 5. Okay, that is 180 times let's say 3. Okay, and then 540 is going to be divided by 5. Okay, this gets you 108. This is, let's say the total was 540. I think I did this one wrong. Here, let me double check. Okay. Let's see. So that is 180 times 2. Good. And then 360 divided by 4. Oh yeah, it's 90. Yeah, you see it gets bigger. Let's go n equals to 6. What is the total there? And then n times 6 is n times 4. So this becomes 720. Divide 720. 720 divided by 6 gets you 120. Right? Let's do n equals to 7. Let's see. N equals to 7. That's 5. So this is 900. Right? Yep. And then 900 divided by 7. This gets you 128.58. Not even close. N equals to 8. Let's see what n equals to 8 is. 1080. 1080 divided by 8. This gets you 135. Oh, wait, we didn't even have to go. We already have the answer right here. Okay. N equals to 5. But you see how he kept going? It gets bigger. Right. Here we're trying to find the sum. The sum is just all these add up to 180. Okay. So 89 plus 3x plus 92 plus 116 is equal to 360. Let's combine some like terms here. Right. So 89 plus 92 plus 116. Right? 89 plus 92 plus 116 is equal to 297 plus 3x is equal to 360. You're going to minus the 297 to both sides. So that is 360 minus 297. 360 minus 297. That gets you 63. 3x is equal to 63. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. X is equal to 21. Right, there you go.